Working with our partners at Gripple Australia and New Zealand, we have recently supplied the solar EPC Infratec with our Cable Smart system for installation at Naumai Solar Farm. Naumai is a 4 megawatt solar farm located on a challenging floodplain in Northland, New Zealand. Infratec needed a cable management solution that had overcome the ground issues such as flooding. They also needed to be simple and reliable to install. Based on this, they chose the Gripple Cable Smart system. Over 3,200 of our Cable Smart mini hangers were used on the project, with more than 2,500 metres of wire as part of our messenger cable. Our solar technical services team worked with Infratec from the early stages of planning, helping them specify the most cost-efficient solution.
We supported the Infratec team from the early stages of specification, provide engineering designs to help plan out the cable management system in the most efficient way. This meant we could keep the total number of hangers and length of catenary down to a minimum without compromise on site performance.
Using our Cable Smart system, Infratec were able to confidently manage cables above ground, without having to worry about any delays or damage caused by flooding.